we'll guide you through how to compare two files in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once it's open, you'll want to make sure you have both files you want to compare available in your workspace. You can do this by either opening them directly from your File Explorer or dragging them into VS Code. Once your files are open, take a look at the sidebar on the left. You'll see an option called Explorer, which shows all the files currently open in your workspace. Now, here's the key step. Right-click on the first file you want to compare. In the context menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Select for Compare. Click on it. Now, go to the second file you want to compare. Right-click on it as well, and you'll see an option that says Compare with Selected. Click on this, and VS Code will open a new side-by-side tab, displaying the differences between the two files. You'll see changes highlighted, which make it easy to spot differences. If you've got a lot of changes, you can navigate through them using the arrows at the top of the editor, which let you jump between each difference. This built-in feature is really handy for developers who need a quick visual overview of what's been modified between two versions of a file. It's also worth noting that you can install extensions from the VS Code Marketplace that can offer more advanced comparison features if you find you need them. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.